Imagine a world where machines can understand, use, and navigate different apps and user interfaces so that we humans no longer have to. Some companies have started bringing artificial intelligence into some apps, whereas robotic process automation, or RPA UI in short, can be enhanced with AI to automate any and all software that you are using. In this video, we will explain simply how they work and how everyone can benefit from them. We will introduce you UiPath's multimodal drop-in replacement for humans to perform any task in a desktop, mobile, or web environment. But how does this AA understand both text and images in graphical user interfaces? The secret lies in its cutting-edge technology that mimics human vision. Its mission? To tackle mundane, repetitive tasks that we humans used to do on computers and free us to focus on more important and exciting things. Now let's unravel the mystery behind this breakthrough in AI, followed by some surprising practical examples, like giving your secret password securely to your preferred personal assistant, such as Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant, or the new X.com Everything AI. Other related technologies include Adept AI, NLP, Applitools Eyes, Selenium, Testim, Test Sigma, Magnify, Curiosity Software, Mini GPT-4, Meta Chameleon, Multimodal AI, and Teslavision. Buckle up. Traditionally, UI automation systems have required complex, cumbersome manual definition of workflows, much to the likes of how chatbots used to be developed before the ChatGPT era. Developers and designers had to manually specify or record the steps that the robot or chatbot should take to complete a task, which was a laborious and time-consuming process. Additionally, the workflows were inflexible and difficult to update if the underlying software changed. Traditional chatbots were typically rule-based systems that could only respond to a limited set of prompts, with an option to alert human support when it reached a dead end. However, modern-day AI chatbots that use large language models, like ChatGPT, have come a long way. They can hold a natural conversation with users on the topics they have been trained on. This is because a large language model AI can understand the conversation with the user and generate responses that are actually helpful and engaging. In the same way, the definition of workflows in traditional rule-based UI automation used to be complex, cumbersome, manual, labor-intensive, and time-consuming. The traditional workflow definitions were also difficult to adapt to changes, increasing their maintenance costs. Now, however, also UI automation, such as UiPath, can be driven by intelligent AI, similar to ChatGPT, to automate UI tasks in a way that resembles how a human would perform them. With the introduction of context-aware AI into the navigation of graphical user interfaces, RPA evolves to a powerful, almost general AI-level semantic automation. The single most important factor in the success of an AI system is the quality of the data it is trained on, and the likes of UiPath, Adept AI, Magnify, and Curiosity Software have had the opportunity to gather a lot of real-world RPA training data over the years. Now, it can not only automate tasks that are more complex and nuanced, but it can also begin to perform and streamline tasks described in natural language, which were traditionally left to humans. This is because now the AI can understand the context of a task and make intelligent decisions based on each particular situation. Instead of reprogramming or remapping the workflows, the AI can automatically adapt to any changes in the process, so long as they are humanly understandable. This means you can now also automate tasks that were previously impossible to automate, such as those that require human-like judgment or decision-making. Now let's have a look at some real-world examples of how AI can save our time by navigating user interfaces like a human. Get ready to be amazed as we take a closer look of real-world examples, from office automation to online shopping and even stock trading. Can it also improve accessibility for people with disabilities, or give businesses a competitive edge? We shall see. We start with some business cases first and then continue to see how AI can benefit us in our personal lives. Desktop, web, and mobile application testing. Traditionally, desktop, web, and mobile application testing is a labor-intensive and error-prone process. However, with AI-powered testing tools such as Adept AI, Selenium, Magnify, Curiosity software, or UiPath, you can simply give the AI specification of the application's features written in natural language. The AI will then automatically classify and perform tests for each feature. The test workflows will always be up to date even with changes to the application, freeing human labor to more productive tasks. For complex applications, the UI can simply do the navigation for the user, like let's go through the maze. E-commerce usability and visual web design assistance. In the past, e-commerce usability and visual design was a time-consuming process. However, with the help of AI-powered website designers, you can now automate this process. The AI designer can understand your customer's needs, and it can design, analyze, or test a website that is easy to navigate and that meets those needs and avoids harmful bias. The AI designer can also make changes to your website as needed. All you need to do is just to approve the proposed changes. Creating video tutorials and other educational content. AI-powered RPA tools can learn to use your existing tools, processes, and workflows to create content by following scripts and processes written in natural language for humans. For example, you could provide the UIA tool with a script that describes how to create a tutorial on how to use a new software application. The AI tool would then be able to automatically create a screencast by automatically navigating and recording the steps on the user interface screens while following the instructions written in the script. It will use best practices to add illustrations and textual emphasis where feasible together with an audio narrative track and subtitles. It can also do this in different languages based on the same script. Content creation, editing, and moderation. Businesses can automate digital and social media content creation, editing, and moderation by connecting UiPath with their existing tools. Such AI is able to understand written instructions and organically maintain quality content that is relevant to the target audience, while accomplishing all this using traditional tools and applications designed for humans. Additionally, such an AI tool is able to moderate spam or other inappropriate content. Now that we have seen how this helps businesses, how about our personal lives then? Can it help us with real estate? Let's assume you're in the market to buy or rent a new apartment. Just type in, "Find me a house in Houston for a family of 4 with a $600,000 budget." After submitting the task, the UiPath uses another window of your web browser to automatically surf the appropriate web pages. It will automatically fill in the search criteria and summarize what you are looking for. How about regular online shopping then? Like me, you're probably a busy person who doesn't have a lot of time to shop online either. In the past, you have had to spend time manually searching for products online and at the checkout process. This could be a time-consuming and frustrating process, especially if you didn't know exactly where to find what you were looking for, or if you wanted to also compare prices and different options. With the help of UiPath-powered shopping assistants that can shop online with the command of your voice, you can now automate this process. Tell the AI assistant what you need, and it can do the searching online for you. And what is left for you is just to approve the shopping cart. The AI can even search for an item based on a photo. If you want, it can also make recommendations for related products that you might be interested in. With the command of your voice, it can even replenish your fridge based on a photo of the current contents. The AI will know to ask you which items you want to have variety with, and it knows which online shops to order the items from. Confirm the order and the AI will check your calendar for a suitable delivery time. And travel planning. AI-powered travel agent can help with automatic travel arrangements, making it even easier to book flights and hotels without having to spend time browsing through different websites and apps. Think Skyscanner, but with voice commands, and it can handle all your vacation details. It can effortlessly book flights and discover hotels that perfectly match your preferences and budget, all by just providing a photo as a reference. It will even discuss a travel itinerary with you and book your activities and mark them on your calendar. Stock trading. Do you feel fear of missing out on the stock investing boom? FOMO. You're not alone. Many people want to start investing in the stock market, but they just don't have the time or interest to learn the ropes or sit behind the trading monitor. Now you can choose to control your personal AI investment assistant from the comfort of your own home. The UI tool understands how to use any of the modern online investment services, and it can do all the work for you. It can track, identify, suggest, and explain new investing or divesting opportunities according to your risk and profit wishes. It can make trades on your behalf after you approve its suggestions. It can scan and monitor the stock market and relevant news for you in real time. It will disturb you only when an opportunity that suits you is knocking. Then some examples of how an AI-powered personal finance tool can help you. This tool can track your spending habits and show where your money is going. It can help you identify areas where you can save money. The tool can generate reports that illustrate your spending habits in detail. This can help you make changes to your budget in real time. The tool can automatically pay your bills on time to avoid late fees and keep your credit score in good standing. It can also warn you ahead of time of suspicious invoices. Similarly, if there is money left over for investing, it will take care of that for you as well and help you accumulate wealth over time. You will simply need to give the AI tool your secret online banking username and password, and it will take care of the rest. The tool will be designed to keep your online credentials safe. For full inclusivity, all of these examples can be made fully accessible to disabled people through voice command, the full mobile, desktop, and web application suite. You can use voice commands to control any user interfaces and even teach the UI AI yourself both at home and at the office. These examples are just a few of how machines can understand, use, and navigate different apps and user interfaces so that we humans no longer have to. As the technology continues to develop on an open source basis, we can expect to see even more use cases in the future. But how did we arrive here? Why do we need computers to have human vision over graphical user interfaces? It's similar to Tesla's approach to self-driving cars using cameras and advanced computer vision. Humans drive with visual input, so machines can do even better by learning from real-world data. This enables the drop-in replacement of human drivers in self-driving cars or bipedal Tesla Optimus humanoid robots to do manual labor using human-level vision and motion range. Now, by giving AI-driven UI RPA the ability to navigate any graphical user interface, it will eventually outperform humans using all applications. UiPath, Adept AI, Amplitude's Eyes, Testum, Magnify, Curiosity Software, and Selenium's Rationale for developing autonomous UI robots having human-like visual capabilities is similar to Tesla's approach in developing vision-operated cars and robots to replace humans. Both aim to achieve seamless transformation of tasks traditionally done by humans to ones performed automatically, accurately, and efficiently, reducing errors and streamlining repetitive tasks. The possibility of automating all graphical user interfaces instead of just a select few offers significant benefits over traditional automation. UiPath's UI AI robot is designed to accurately perceive and interact with user interfaces without the need for prior training on specific applications. It learns to understand UI elements much like humans do, responding to user queries and executing complex tasks based on natural language instructions. In a similar manner to how Tesla's Optimus robot provides arms and legs to Tesla's vision, UiPath's robotic process automation gives arms and legs to the AI capable of natural language processing and visual understanding of user interfaces. The ultimate goal is to seamlessly integrate conversational AI into existing workflows, mimicking human-like interactions, and to disrupt how organizations approach UI automation. That's it, everyone. The future with AI-powered automation looks really bright. You will have more time for things you truly enjoy. It's like having an assistant that can do all the boring stuff. Whether you own a business or not, it can help operate your apps in a smarter way, saving you time and money. It's like having a superpower that helps you get things done faster and better. So get ready to experience the benefits of UI AI automation in your everyday life. Please note that the content of this video is an aspirational sneak peek of the near future. For more aspirational content, subscribe to this channel and join the Tesla forum, which feels like home, and join the discussion, and keep your eye on what the future has in store while we watch out for one another.